Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or discuss with you Mitolyn Advanced Keto Weight Loss Capsule review. So you might be wondering, what is the Mitolyn Advanced Keto Weight Loss Capsule here? Well, in this case, the Mitolyn Advanced Keto Weight Loss Capsules is a plant-based dietary supplement marketed around supporting mitochondrial function. Now, framed as a driver for metabolism, energy, and weight management. Now, listed ingredients commonly include maqui berry, rhodiola, and hematococcus amla, and Griffonia simplicifolia, and a lot more like Theobroma cacao, alongside with some pages mentioning green tea extract and L-carnitine. Now, it's described as a non-GMO, gluten-free, soy-free, dairy-free, and manufactured in FDA-registered, GMP-certified U.S. facility. Now, as with all dietary supplements, these statements haven't been fully evaluated, and the product isn't intended to diagnose or treat, cure, or prevent diseases. Now, this is a common thing with dietary supplements. Now, what about dosages here? Now, dosage here, or dose instructions, vary somewhat by listing. So most describe taking 1 to 2 capsules daily with a full glass of water, commonly timed around 30 minutes before a meal or with breakfast or lunch for absorption. Now, general guidance across pages recommends pairing use with a balanced diet, stating hydrated and regular activity, and suggests a minimum of 3 to 6 months of consistent use to gauge fuller results. Now, particularly for anyone over 35 or carrying more excess weight, in this case, as with any supplements, checking with a doctor first is advised, especially for anyone pregnant, breastfeeding, or with an existing health condition. Now, this is a recommendation for any kind of supplements or medication that you may be taking in the future. Now, as for the pricing side here, commonly listed options include a single bottle for around, let's just say, around $69 to $79. Now, depends on the listing. Now, a 3 bottle package around like 59 per bottle. That's just the uh, per bottle here, but you need to multiply it by 3, so that's the amount that you may be getting, that you need to actually need to pay, which often includes like 2 bonus ebooks and a 6 bottle package around like 49 per bottle with a free shipping and the same bonus ebooks that you may be getting on the previous package here. Now, it's sold exclusively through the official website rather than third-party retailers here, with a money back guarantee period listed at either 60 to 90 days depending on the specific site. But yeah, so that's about it. So if you found this video, feel free to like and share button and watch our next video.